Today we're going to plant some vegetable seeds. First thing we'll do is wet the trays down. We want to wet the dirt down real good. Try not to wash the dirt off the pallet though. So what you want to do is have the water at a gentle rain on it, but not blasting off, and kind of come down from the top and keep it moving. Try not to let it puddle too much, and you don't want to hit it from an angle because it washes the dirt off. So you want to keep the water coming down on the dirt. Today we're seeding in deep 18s. These are deep 18 trays right here. And these over here are the 48s. Once we get them wet down real good, we'll be ready to seed. We always want to leave the trays wet when we leave at lunch or at the end of the day. We don't want to leave the top layer dry. That helps to keep them where they're easy to re-wet. So we're going to go in here with Ollie, and she's working on some seed right now.
I'm seeding yellow crooked neck squash. Here Judy gives me a clipboard and a list of everything to go down. So down the columns there's 48s, and these two trays are 48s, and deep 18s, and that's this. And so 2 seeds per each cell in deep 18s, and then it's 6 per cell in the 48s. And then I just like to go through and, like Jay was doing, was wetting them all, and then I come in my fingers and I just poke them under and cover them up, and do that a couple of times till you're done. And then once all that is done, you come through and you want a tag in each cell, so you just go down through there. So a cell is one thing. So in the deep 18 it's just 1, and then in the 48s it's a 4-pack. So that there, so I like to do 2, 2, 1, 1, and it evens out to 6 seeds per cell. Whenever you're done with all that, you just set it down. When you get to like a good stopping point, I just like to water them in so you don't have a massive amount of trays to water at the end.
Now Ollie's got all these seeds planted. We're going to water them in real good before we leave. So we want to turn the water on before we hit the seeds and adjust the pressure, and then just come across and keep this moving. You want to kind of use the water to settle the dirt a little bit, and watch as you're going and make sure the seeds don't float to the top. So we're good here. None of the seeds float. Oh, we did have one seed float to the top right here. So I'm just going to take my finger, push that back down in there a little bit, push a little dirt over it, and that's good enough.